Is that good, Chiefer? Chief, is that good? Hey, buddy, is that good?
He's eating some Subway.
Chief, Chief, look at me.
Did you just like
Look at me, Chief.
Dad, vegetarian dog?
There, you got it down.
Well, I mean, he's a hound dog, but he's vegetarian.
He ain't no vegetarian, he eats meat. Vegetarians don't eat meat, but
He eats meat, but he's a rabbit.
oh, is he?
Yeah, he eats lettuce and stuff.
Well, I don't mean he's a rabbit. Is that good, buddy? Chiefer.
Like, look at this.
Good boy.
Get a little piece of lettuce. Come on. That's what I'm doing.